Good morning and welcome to Freelance Killer MTG Limited. Today we have in front of us a booster pack from Walmart. I believe it's $12 or $13. It comes with 3 booster packs from recent sets. And I figured I'd pick one up and let's crack it to see what we have. So the promo, very nice for Commander. And then we have a Bloomburrow, Modern Horizons 3-pack, and another Bloomburrow. I guess we'll save the Modern Horizons for last. Let's go ahead and open up one of the Bloomburrow packs. Alright, so we have our common slot. Good old green shell, forest, and Season of the Bold foil mythic. Gotta love it. And a nice little frog wizard token. Stuff on the side. With pack number 2. Sticky Tongue Sentinel. Where's the good stuff? Where's the good stuff? Gotta go kind of slow through the uncommons in case we do find one of the valuable uncommons, which I don't think we found. Valley Flamecaller. Do we have another rare? Nope. Swamp. And Flowerfoot. Alright. Now for the Granddaddy. Let's see if we get anything from Modern Horizons 3. Gotta love the modal lands. Okay, Branching Evolution. If one or more 1/1 counters will be placed on a creature you control, twice that many counters are put on that creature instead. This will go great with the Edge of Eternity stuff. I was thinking to infinity and beyond. Oh, we got another rare. Foil Refurbished Familiar and a Spellgorger Weird. Thank you. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, let me know what you thought about some of the cards, and we will come back with another pack. Thank you.